guys, welcome to our Sambales vlog. And yes, this is very late. This was back in January 2, 2025 pa. But then, ayun na nga, sobrang busy. But tara, enjoy muna natin at namnamin ang ganda ng Sambales. Let's go!
Tapos ma'am, bawal po ang hayag po pala tayo. So,
Kakaiba ako ngayon, boss.
Oh, sige. Picture kita. Nebla talaga eh. Nebla talaga.
Dito muna. Natupad din ang pangarap ko matagal ng masakit sa bangka. Sa motor. Sa isla pa kami nakarating. Sa Bali!
Hello. Kaway. Sige. Kaway. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year!
And there you go! Touchdown Destinare! So yan, dito tayo mag-i-stay ngayon. And sobrang ganda. Sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga yung lugar. Probably the camera is not able to give enough justice kung gaano kaganda yung lugar, but it's really worth it. It's like you're looking at a painting lang sa paligid mo. Sobrang ganda. Yung buhangin, sobrang pino. Yung tubig, hindi maalat. So, sobrang sarap din lumangoy. Kid-friendly din. Sobrang layo din yung area na pwedeng abutin ng mga bata kasi hindi siya ganun kalalim. Mababaw lang talaga yung tubig. And ayan, so magbababa muna ng mga gamit and of course, um, magsisettle muna tayo dito sa lugar. And at that time, hindi pa talaga available yung cottage namin or yung pag-i-stayan. So, they allowed us to use this kind of cottage kind of thing para makapag-prepare kami ng mga food. So, luto-luto muna tayo ng kakainin for tanghalian while waiting for our room. So, ayan, luto muna tayo. And, I think the only downside, it's not 100 totally downside talaga. Walang internet connection, wala kayong data talaga at all, walang signal. But then they're offering Wi-Fi for specific times only. So hindi din siya available 24/7. And it's too pricey. 100 pesos per device per hour. So, it's better talaga wala kayong work, yung wala kayong isipin at all kapag pumunta kayo dito. And it's better to have almost everything na kailangan nyo. Like, any food that you guys are going to cook, like pancit canton or noodles or anything, mga kape. Kasi everything is pricey talaga. Well, because of the travel. So, medyo reasonable naman at some point. So like example, yung noodles dito ay 50 pesos per pack. So ayun, better be ready talaga. So ayan, dito na tayo sa pag-i-stayan natin and we are beachfront. So yeah, sobrang ganda, 'di ba? So let's go. Langoy-langoy muna tayo and let's enjoy and appreciate this amazing day na ipinagkaloob sa atin.
Oh, laban! Laban!
One, go!
Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibes. We're feeling alive summer vibes. The sun gets low, but we're still here. The night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth of the night. We're glowing bright, hearts so light. Every breath, every smile. In this moment we go wild. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat. Dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown.
Ayan. So, meron din silang area for trekking. This is about 300 steps pataas, if I'm not mistaken. And be careful lang, lalo kapag umuulan, kasi medyo madulas. So, ayan. Medyo inabutan kami ng ulan, pero natapos din naman agad yan. So, super worth it pa din. Sobrang ganda, para kang tumititig sa painting. And ito na yung unexpected na pangyari nitong araw na to.
Oh, isa pa, pose. Isa pa.
Magkaaway.
Magkatalikod.
Magkatalikod. Paano ba?
Paano?
Talikod.
Ayan.
Balance card dyan.
Oy, dahan-dahan na. Okay.
Ano, magkaanoan?
Oh, magkatalikuran. Oh, sige. 1, 2, 3. Oh, iba pa. Harap ka naman. Harap. Tanong muna. Tanong.
Tanong, paano?
Okay.
Alam ko naman naman ang sagot mo. Pero,
Kuya! No!
alam ko naman ang sagot mo, pero official kitang tinatanong. Will you be my forever partner?
Yes! Wow, wow, wow!
Oh, magsalita.
Dito daw sa paa. Ano ba?
Hala, sukat! Hindi ko alam masukat eh.
Single eh.
Kiss, kiss!
Tinakpan! Kaibigan! Kaibigan!
Naligan na!
Naiyak ba yan? Umiyak muna. Ngayon siya naiyak. Napagod ako.
Sa pagkakit pa na naiyak?
Naiyak din ako. Naiyak din ako.
Lagi ka nagdudude sa harap ng pamilya ko, pati tatay ko. Hindi lang nakapanik si nanay eh. Hindi lang nakapanik si nanay.
Oh, kiss na, kiss! Kiss!
Ayaw ko halikan.
Walang takip! Walang takip! Yay!
And yes, we're engaged. Pero pinahirapan muna bago ibigay. Charot lang. Pero ayan, pababa na kami. And tignan mo naman yan, sobrang worth it. Only in the Philippines, sobrang worth it talaga. So, punta na rin kayo dito.
Dami.
So, kinagabihan, habang nag-chill yung mga matatanda, nagkaroon din ng libangan yung mga bata. So, nakahuli sila ng mga maliliit na crab, at saka yung mga umang, at sobrang nakaka-nostalgic kasi ito yung mga binibili lang natin sa school nung elementary days. Pero dito, pupulutin mo lang, hulihin mo lang talaga sila. So, sobrang nakakatuwa. So, at first, right off the bat, yung kawalan ng internet, negative connotation agad siya. Kasi we all got used to being on our phones every time. But being here made us realize na this is a great opportunity to reconnect. Whether it's your family, your friends, or maybe your coworkers, this is a great place to do that. And sobrang thankful kasi minsan iisipin mo parang you have no choice, but then at the end of the day, you'll end up realizing and appreciating the opportunity na nakapag-bonding ka with the people that you are with or your loved ones. So, will I come back? Yes, definitely. Zambales is a must-have in your bucket list. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang worth it. So, I hope you guys enjoy this one as much as we did. So, see you on our next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!